Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is our channel. We provide daily signals to our members. To join this, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on under BBinary support on Telegram. So let's begin with our signals. So the session started right here, and our first signal was for CHFJPY 5 minutes up flag mode. In this, we didn't get the entry, so we skipped this trade. The next trade was for CHFJPY 5 minutes up. This was a very good win. In this trade, there was a good uptrend, plus the moving average was also indicating for the call side, and we took an entry on the moving average for the call side, and we won this trade with a good entry. Amazing win right there, you can check out. The next signal was for CHFJPY 5 minutes up. This was a loss, so we skipped this trade. The market didn't move as expected. Our logic was correct. Then the next signal was for USD JPY 5 minutes up, the flag mode. This was a very good win. Here you can just check out. I've marked the support level. The price touched the support level and retraced, and there was an uptrend going on. So with the respecting to the moving average, we took a call side trade right here, and we won this trade. Same logic as this one. Same thing happened right there. The moving average always indicates you where the market is moving, and you just have to take the best entries. The next signal was for RUSD 5 minutes up. Here this was a very good support level. The candles were retracing from the support level, so this was our trade for the call side. We took this trade for the call side, and we won this trade with a very good entry. That's all. 3 non-marginal wins. Amazing session for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Focus on your trading and don't overtrade. That's what I can say. Patience, discipline, just focus on